wash cycle is finished. Now the drum. That's how you fit a super maxi sized duvet and do a wash in a standard sized washing machine.